What's up, guys? This is Skate Tutors, and this is how to kickflip with skater trainers.
So it comes in a bag like this. You just want to open the bag up, and it comes with 4 rubber little skater trainers. What you do is slide it right over the wheel like so. Do this on all 4 wheels. So now I got it set up on all 4 wheels. I'm gonna head up to the parking lot. So what the skater trainers actually do is they kind of just lock your board in place. You move it, they kind of move, but you gotta really kind of push. There's a lot more friction, and they keep you at that solid spot. It's like a training wheel for a skateboard. So if you want your own pair of skater trainers, there's actually a link right below this video, and you can just click there and get yourself a pair of skater trainers and learn kickflips faster and better and easier. This is my foot positioning when I do my kickflips. You just want to back foot in the center of the tail so you can really get that pop down. And when you pop down, you want to slide up like you're ollieing, but you want to roll this foot and ankle up, and then you want to like up and out, flick out like a karate kick. I'll show you right now. Hi-ya! You flick it up and out, and then it comes around, the board flips, and then you want to catch it with your back foot and land on the bolts. Bend your knees. First, you want to train your front foot to catch the board after you flick it. Just like this.
Like that.
Then you move on to your back leg.
Hi-ya kick.
This trains your back foot to catch the skateboard as it flips around. And then you'll be able to catch it with both feet. It's also important to have your feet in the right position, and you want to make sure you have balance so you can get the right pop and flick and catch and land the skateboard.
Also, if you want to see the full how to kickflip tutorial,
Click on the top right corner of the screen. It'll take you there.
alright, once you get your kickflips down on the skater trainers, you can take them off and practice your kickflips stationary first. Remember, that's important, because you want to develop that pop kick, karate kick, hi-ya, and back foot catches the board, absorb the landing.
Smash the like, comment, and also subscribe for more skateboarding videos. Enjoy the montage of kickflips with skater trainers. And click on one of the boxes for more skateboarding videos.